The TCL 6 series is the best TV under $1,000, period. Packing wide color gamut, Dolby Vision and a full array panel at just $650 for the 55-inch 55 R617, this is the budget-friendly 4K TV that we'll recommend to friends, family and readers for the rest of the year. There's no doubt in our minds, the TCL P6 series was hands down the best budget TV of last year in the sub-$1,000 price range. It made our best TVs of 2017 list, as well as our best 4K TVs of 2017 list, alongside OLEDs from Sony and LG, and QLED TVs from Samsung, all of which cost 2, 3, 4 or even 5 times as much as TCL's budget-friendly series. If there was a downside to last year's models, one that could have and should have been fixed by year's end, it was the fact that the TVs were limited to one size and production couldn't keep up with the heavy demand once word got out how spectacular those TVs were.